What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Ways Crypto, bringing you another market update for the day. So looking back here at Bitcoin here on the daily chart, yesterday when we were checking it out, it was pretty much at about the same price. And my overall sentiments are that this correction has been going on for almost 2 months now. You can see the top here was March 14th. And today is May 9th, so almost 2 months of basically just going sideways in this range from about 70-ish K down to about 60. Overall, that's the general range, and we've just been going sideways. During this time, Bitcoin had its halving, and just overall, it's just been going sideways consolidation. So here on the daily, we're still at this price here. This horizontal that I drew is pretty much the bottom of the range. You can see how it's been respected. We had this fake breakdown below it, but then we came back above. So far, we came back and retested it. And like I was saying in yesterday's video, I was looking for a potential trend reversal now. So Bitcoin could potentially be putting in a higher low now on the daily, right at this horizontal. So that could be an option for sure. The other option was either coming back lower or potentially making a slightly lower low. But for now, we're going to go with the price action, and it's looking like it could potentially be putting in a higher low here on the daily. And you can see that it's consolidating right here with all the exponential moving averages. The red is the 9, the yellow is the 21, the green is the 55, and this is also this is the Bollinger Band here. And so the middle Bollinger Band is also right there in all these EMAs. So definitely just something to keep an eye on. Like I've been saying before, I don't give out financial advice, but my plan is dollar cost averaging, and all this sideways action in this macro bull cycle has definitely been a blessing and an opportunity to add more to your positions. So this has been a great dollar cost averaging opportunity. So this could end up being the trend reversal higher low. We're going to have to continue to monitor and see how things look going forward tomorrow. Obviously, the first step would be to get above yesterday's high, which was 63,000, more or less, about 63,000. So definitely be keeping an eye out for that. And then if we were to look at the indicators here on the daily, if we look at the RSI down here, like we were saying before, it was overbought, and then this whole time it's just been going down. And to me, it looks like just a bullish reset for the oscillators. And you can see on the MACD here, there was bullish divergence from this low to this low, because this was a lower low on price action, but a higher low on the MACD. So that's definitely a good sign. And then also the MACD lines down here also crossed. I'll go ahead and make this a little bigger so you can see better. But you can see that on the daily, the MACD EMAs went all the way to the bottom. Now it crossed above and is above. The faster is above the slower moving average. So that's also a promising sign. We do have some positive momentum building here on the daily. And also you can see that the RSI is crossing above the EMA here. It's still kind of consolidating, but we're waiting to see this trend reverse. So sorry about that. So if we go back here, like I said, overbought, now it's oversold, and now we're looking to see this trend reversed now back to the upside, and it definitely looks like it's just trying to consolidate and move forward with the trend reversal. So you can see that the EMA price, the white line, the EMA is at 61,829, which price is actually above right now. And so these are all looking promising. So just a great dollar cost averaging opportunity. This could end up being the higher low on the daily for the trend reversal. But even if it isn't, if it decides to go back down a little bit lower, maybe test the price action down here in the lower side of the Bollinger Band, that could be an option. Even if it does, I guess worst case scenario, go back down here, maybe make a slightly lower low, we would be looking for potential more potential bullish divergence here on the MACD. If the price were to go lower and make a shallower negative momentum, it could be in the cards as well. So we're not ruling anything out. We're just here to present all possibilities. But either way, in my opinion, I think it's just great opportunity to be dollar cost averaging before the uptrend continues, because I'm of the mindset that there's still more to go in this bull run. And my plan is to be continuing to ride this uptrend until 2025. That's when I think that things are going to be, I still think that things are going to be bullish. And my plan is to be taking profits sometime in 2025 next year. So anything now, sideways consolidation, is just great opportunities to be adding to your positions, dollar cost averaging more. So we'll take a look here at the weekly chart. And you can see on the weekly, last week it went and it retested the 21 EMA, which is a great retest in Bitcoin bull markets. And so far, it's just kind of backfilling, retesting that horizontal that we had on the daily. So yeah, these are all looking promising. And if we were to go to a lower time frame like the 2 hour, you can see that this correction has been very nice and orderly, kind of in like a falling wedge formation. And you can see that the RSI looks similar to the daily, actually, how it was overbought. Then it's just been going down, resetting all the way down to the oversold territory, and lots of drives of bullish divergence now forming, definitely here on the MACD, and then also on the RSI, as you can see. There's been bullish divergence forming here on the 2 hour. EMA is at 61,170. Price is about $1,000 above that right now. So on a lower time frame, the 2 hours looking pretty good. So on a shorter time frame like this, we would be looking for Bitcoin to break out of this falling wedge formation. And say if we look at the 4 hour, same thing, all the EMAs are consolidating about in this area as well. Price is currently below it. RSI is oversold, and it's crossing the EMA at 61,927. So yeah, I would think that this correction is getting close to completion. It could always come and make, maybe another slightly lower low. But either way, it doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things if your outlook is to hold Bitcoin or whatever alt crypto you're holding for the next year or so. Definitely just great opportunities to be dollar cost averaging. So I'll leave it there for today. We'll definitely follow back tomorrow, see how price action is looking. But definitely appreciate you guys. Go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the market. And if you think this correction is almost over, definitely would love to hear your thoughts. So thanks again, guys. Have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow.